A contingency table is a lot like a frequency table in that it allows us to display how many fall into each category. The difference is a contingency table accounts for two different variables. So for instance here, you can see I have the type of animal and the animal's sex. Now I'll go ahead and give you a second. I want you to go ahead and read through the problem, ignore my alternative spelling of Baltimore there, and then click play once you're done. Now to fill out a contingency table, the most important part to remember is that it's additive. That is, our row here, number of cats, must add up to the total number of cats, or the number of dogs must add up to the total number of dogs. That is, our rows or our columns will always add up. Now we're going to start here at the very top, which says the society had 14 dogs. To understand where this is going, we're going to go ahead and look at the dog row. And this isn't male or female dogs, this is total dogs. So I'm going to go ahead and look where total hits dogs, and that's where that number will go. So once again, I have a total of 14 dogs. Now, out of those dogs, 6 of them were male. There we go, a little bit better. Now, if I have 6 dogs that were male, that means I'm going back to the dog row here. And I'm going to look over where dog hits male, and I'm going to put 6. That is, I have a total of 6 male dogs. The nice thing about this is it allows it, once again, to be additive. So if I have 14 total dogs and 6 male, I can get the female by taking 14 minus 6, which I believe is 8. So I have a total of 8 female dogs. And I got that once again, 14 total, 6 of them male, the remainder have to be female here. Going on to the next sentence then, I can see that we have 27 cats. This is the total number of cats. So I'm going to go ahead and do cats and total. I will then put 27 there, about total 27 cats. Out of the cats, 16 were female. So coming over here, cats and female, there are 16 of them. Now if there were 16 cats that were female and 27 total, I can take 27 minus 16 to get 11, and that means 11 of my cats were male. The only other thing I have to do is go ahead and figure out my totals. So here I can tell I have 27 cats, 14 dogs. So if I add 27 to 14, I believe I get 41, and that's the total number of animals. I've got 11 male cats, 6 male dogs, so I've got a total of 17 male animals. And then I've got 16 female cats plus 8 female dogs, and adding those up there, I get 24. Once again, if everything works out, it should add. So I should be able to take this 24 down here, plus the 17, and get my 41.